Hello, classmates. My name is Kathy Greer, and I live in Charlotte, North Carolina. My professional goal is to be an online educator and an instructional designer. The MATLT program has supported me toward that goal and instructed me on how to create a course lesson plan. It also gave to me insight as far as what's needed as an instructor in an online setting. The difficulties that I experienced in this class, one challenge, I should say, was when I did my course on course sites. It was really very difficult for me to get everything in there that needed to be there, meaning as far as the instructions written correctly and clearly so that a student taking that class would be able to have firm understanding of what it was that they needed to do and what was expected of them. How I overcame it was my mentor. I had a mentor. My mentor was Dr. Michelle Warren. With her support and her collaboration, I was able to see how doing a backward design using the ADDIE model was beneficial in designing that class. Another problem that I had was doing a blog and establishing a professional voice. The way I overcame that was to continue to do the blogs and to continue to look at information more critically so that I could form my own opinion. Um, it has been a pleasure being in this class, and it absolutely has not been anything that I could not do. There were just things that I was uncomfortable and even trying. But because I had encouragement from my professors, I continued and I pursued, and I do think that I've done very well. And I have been more satisfied with this class than I ever have been academically, ever. I want to wish everyone in this class a great career, profitable life, and I hope that in the future we can continue to collaborate.